Hi there everyone, Stephan here, Technical Support Engineer for FireAlarm.com. We are extremely excited to announce that FireAlarm.com's offerings are now expanding. Now, we will be able to provide fire and life safety testing and inspection services directly from us for you. FireAlarm.com's focus will continue to include not only getting you what you need for the best price, but to also emphasize the importance of fire safety for you, your colleagues, and your loved ones. Whether you use FireAlarm.com services to protect your home or business, we want all of our customers to feel safe and secure when choosing FireAlarm.com. Our services are intended and designed so that your fire alarm system can be evaluated, repaired, and rendered trouble-free. Our pre-inspection service is performed before your code-required semi-annual maintenance is scheduled. We can give you the tools needed for your system to pass any inspection. Additional services are for those owners that need their fire alarm system maintained. We perform semi-annual testing and maintenance on your fire alarm system and provide the required documentation and logbooks as per the NFPA 72 and all authorities having jurisdictions. FireAlarm.com can also investigate, research, and review any fire department violations that your fire alarm system may have. With this, we will provide you with a recommended resolution report in order to quickly clear any issues and fines that you may be facing. We can help track down any documentation necessary for your fire alarm system, such as Fire Department Letter of Approvals, Letter of Defects, Department of Building Certification of Occupancies, any certifications of compliance and approvals for your system. If you are a high-rise building owner, a campus supervisor, a building engineer, or a fire safety director, we can completely prepare you and your staff to be able to have a fully functioning and code-compliant fire alarm system. If any of these services interest you, please feel free to contact us by email at services@firealarm.com with your request. We will work with you on an affordable quote custom tailored to you and your needs. All of these services are crucial for a safe and code-compliant building or home. And with FireAlarm.com, we hope to make you, your colleagues, and your family's lives easier, but more importantly, safer. More details on these services to follow in our future videos. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like below and subscribe to our channel for the latest on all things fire alarm, as well as future FireAlarm.com updates. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for more information on our products, fire safety facts, and so much more.